So let's talk a little more about the technicals, about broader market stocks. We have Himanshu Gupta of Globe Capital joining in to tell us what he's tracking this afternoon. Himanshu, hi, welcome to the show. We've started off the week on a positive note. There's strength in the markets, follow-on buying, which is taking place after that 2% gain that we saw last week. Tell us, what are you strategizing?
Hi, very good afternoon to you. Well, clearly every dip during the market hours has been bought into from last couple of days, and today also, if we saw after the open, we saw a slight dip, especially in the financials and the Nifty Bank, but it was sooner bought, and I think which is very encouraging to see. The intraday derivatives data is again turning out to be very positive. And as far as levels are concerned, I think Nifty is headed towards 18,100, 120, which is likely to act as an immediate area of supply. So for somebody who is already holding on to Nifty long positions, I would recommend to hold with a stop loss below 17,880. For somebody who wants to initiate longs, I think the stop loss, one can initiate longs around 920, 930 zone, and the stop loss below 17,880 would be recommended there as well. Nifty Bank, again, after the initial dip, very strong rebound, very strong comeback. And I think it's the charts and the derivatives data is suggesting that 40,900, 41,000 is the level which can be expected by tomorrow. For intraday, I think a stop loss below 40,450 on the spot can be recommended. So both the indices, the data and the setup continue to remain strong, and buy on dip is something that I would be advocating.
Oh yes, buy on dips. That's something that our market has continuously seen, right? Himanshu, in a case like that, what would your individual technical picks be?
Yeah, so in today's session, we have seen a clear-cut breakout in all the chemical stocks. So I think the focus should be on the chemical stocks. And from this space, I have two stocks, one from F&O, one from cash. So SRF is the first stock that I would be recommending to go long. The stock has been consolidating for a while, and today we have seen a fresh breakout in this stock. So SRF can be bought for a target price of 2,800 for the short-term targets. Stop loss below 2,680 can be placed. And another buy from this segment, from the cash segment, is DCW. This is again a stock that has been showing some kind of accumulation and very strong strength over the last couple of weeks. And I think the charts are suggesting that a fresh breakout from these levels can be seen here as well. So DCW is a buy for a target price of 58 in the immediate short term. While from a positional perspective, I would expect that stock to rally towards 60, 62 levels also. Stop loss below 51 can be placed here. And finally, another mid-cap idea is Godrej Agrovet. We have seen a strong breakout into this session with strong volumes. I think this can be bought around current levels with a stop loss below 535, and target of 580, 600 can be seen in a day or two.
Okay. All right, Himanshu, we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and giving us all of those calls in terms of stocks.